Human behavior doesn't occur in a vacuum. There are a variety of influences, from genetic to social factors, that shape our behaviors. These influences include basic needs, such as affection, food, and shelter, biology and genetics, such as disabilities, health, hormones, community or environment, such as neighborhood, policies, or laws, family, such as culture, family support, and values, media, such as advertisements, music, and video games, personal goals, such as grades, image, and morals, resources, such as money, time, and transportation, and social factors, such as friends, role models, teams, or clubs. Let's take a look at the culture we live in and how it views alcohol and other drugs. We live in a culture that sends very mixed messages on substance use. On one hand, we embrace and endorse substance use, especially alcohol and marijuana. We celebrate events and holidays with it. We relax after work with a beer or a glass of wine. We listen to music about drinking and watch movies about getting high. We see alcohol and other drugs as the solution to heartbreak and stress. On the other hand, we tell children and youth, drugs are bad, just say no. We tend to judge people who struggle to control their use, or those who use certain substances or use in certain ways. We also make lots of judgments of people who don't drink. Not drinking, particularly in social situations, is often seen as abnormal. This is quite the conundrum we put people in, especially if we believe that it is the person's fault for struggling with alcohol and other drugs because they shouldn't have done it in the first place. It's important to recognize how the bigger drug culture we live in plays into our relationship with alcohol and other drugs.